Thank you so much for all the gifts, y'all. It is on the thing. Thank you. Anyone want to match Meg to sell out? Thank you so much for the gifts. No puzzle. Still. Okay, let's squeeze. I might even have to save some before I put the last liquid in. We'll see. I don't think you're subscribed, Meg. Huh? Or super fan? Thank you. I know super fan was expensive though, but you can subscribe on my page. It's like $4. Super fan is like $10, but if you subscribe on my page, I keep telling people, like, if super fan is too much, because it's like $10 a month, you can subscribe on my page. You can still subscribe. It won't say anything next to your name, but just let me know. But it's cheaper and it'll save you money when you send the cans. Okay. Thank you, Meg. Because I told the same thing to one of my other super fans, and she just subscribed to me instead. Because it was cheaper. But she's not here today. She's probably busy. Thank you so much, Meg. Hearts in the chat. Hearts in the chat for Meg for being the person to help us sell out. Thank you. Hearts in the chat. Thank you so much. Meg sent for the last 20 cans. Thank you to her. We get a bunch more powder bombs. Y'all remember when Meg came to squeeze with me? Do y'all want another Meg guest appearance? Hey Roma, I said hey, right there. We didn't hear me. They saying yes. Hey Miss Carter. I can send it to you, Kelly. I can send it to you like in the DMs. Because I have sent it to Maine because she had a, what you call it? She had missed it too. This one is juicy. Okay. You have to remind me to send it to you after live because I'm probably gonna forget. Thank you so much. So we have 25 cans that's left to go in. Like we're the same age. I was like, I think she's just kidding. I was like, I'm confused. I only saved some mixes. Like this one I'll save because it has pine in it, and I like the pine mixes. And I already saved some laundry. So we did laundry at the beginning. Oh, you didn't know? But yeah, but she would have been too old to be my... She still would have been too old to be my daughter. Well, let's see. I guess if I would have had a teen pregnancy, I guess if I had... That makes sense. Two sniff jars. How about you come smell for yourself and you make your trip down here? Oh, that was not. Y'all, when was y'all's first time? Adult conversation. When was your first time? Like, or when did you truly lose your virginity? Because I lost mine. I was like 2 weeks away from being 18. Like, I was 2 weeks away from being 18. It was like right before my birthday. Not the 14 and 22. Where the lawmans? That's why I said, hold on. When was your real? That's why I said, when was your true, when you consented. Because not everybody's first time is probably one that you consented to. Yeah, I was almost 18 too. Still haven't yet. 21, it's okay. My best friend, she was late too. She was like 22. 16 and 19. But like, did y'all go to high school together or something? Like, I could see how that could be like, y'all were in high school. Erica! Trigger warning. I'm not triggered by it, but I know some people get triggered. I'm sorry, Erica. I think I missed something. You definitely did not deserve that. Because I just say trigger warning because some people might not be expecting that, you know? Oh, Brandy. Y'all got some sad stories. I think I needed to buy more dish soap though. Like, that's so off topic, but. Well, can you say that you feel like you're happier now? Like you're healed or in the process of healing and in a better like place now, like mentally? Yeah, such a young age, like. I'm asking like everybody, but yeah. Erica, you're one of the people that I'm asking. Like, if you feel like you're like on a better path now, like. Y'all are all strong in the chat. We are strong women. We are beautiful women. And you are deserving of love. You're on a better path now. You got a speeding ticket today. Don't worry. Where there's a will, there's a way. A snack squeeze, like with the powder. I'm not even sure how to do that. I'm Gigi Care Bear. Yeah, women strong. I was just telling my best friend today, I'm like, because she was saying something like, something at work, like this man had said something to like one of like her female coworkers, and she was like what made him have the balls to say that? She's like, but if someone had the balls to say that to me, like I would have the balls to say it back to them, like say something like in retaliation. I'm like, no, I wouldn't have the balls to do it. I would have the vagina to do it, because the vagina is stronger. It can withstand more pain. Like giving birth is more pain than getting kicked in the nuts, as scientists have concurred. Yeah, sometimes it takes a while, and but I was thinking like, so what do y'all think about that saying? Because that's the story like my best friend was telling me. It reminded me of like how people on TikTok be like, well, like if a girl is saying something to like your man or like a taken man, it's like he made her feel comfortable enough to say something. But I'm like, I feel like that's not true really. Like not all the time, because imagine it like the roles reversed. The roles reversed though, and like a man like coming to you and telling you something, and it's like you don't want him to tell you something, like you don't want him to like be trying to get at you or whatever. But if your partner was like, no, like you must have did something to make him come to you, like what the fuck, I didn't do shit, you know? So that's why I'm like, I feel like it can't be like all the time. I feel like there's not all the time. Some women are just bold too. Like especially now. Like I've made the first move before. Like in the past. Like even when I was younger in high school or whatever, like. So I feel like that's why I guess I can't say like, oh no, like oh well, that person's cute. That's why sometimes like even now it's like you have to like go after what you want, because the answer is already no. So that could be with anything though, not even a partner. Like that could be with a job position at work or like whatever. Be like, oh, like I want to pursue this, or like I want to do this. But like if you don't say anything, you already not gonna get it. You're not getting it because closed mouths don't get fed. So you're not getting it anyway. What was her reaction, Erica? Okay. I'm going to put these back in here, and we're going to put the liquid and put the cans. Let me get it. Oh, I didn't know I was like missing the sponge. There you go. This is the last year's shot. I feel for her too. I feel for all the women in the comments that have had to go through any rough times. Exactly, don't it? All of y'all are strong. Now y'all don't look at my face, because it might be a little dusty. I might have some dust on it or something. Oh, sponge surgeon, I'm so sorry, love. But this is a safe space for anyone that wants to talk. Even if you want to message me, if you want to message me if you just need someone to talk to. I'm here, loves. And someone asked, yes, we do have some more cans going in. So we will be doing another round of powder bombs. More liquid? No, I just added the last jug. But yeah, like I said, anyone is welcome to send me a DM. Shoot, I'll even FaceTime you. Dami can attest to that. Dami knows I definitely be calling. I'll be calling and I'll be trying to get on that damn FaceTime. Yeah, because I gotta be checking up on my girls. So like I said, y'all can always text me, talk about it, or even just other stuff if something's weighing on your mind. And sometimes you do feel like you can't speak to the people that's the closest to you. Thank you, Dami. You're a true friend. Sometimes you feel like you want to talk to somebody, but you can't speak to the people that's closest to you. You can't afford a therapist. You just kind of want somebody to listen. Maybe even give you a little bit of advice. You have to reach out to me. Tell me something. Hey, Brooke. Thank you, Meg. Meg knows. I'll be quick to check in. Meg knows too. I definitely do. Meg, how was your trip? Too, because you just had a trip. Did you come back yet already? Well, there's a FaceTime or 10-minute audio. I'll be using the fuck out of them audio. Y'all gonna get an audio. Or a phone call. I don't play. You're still on another week? Oh, Lord. Dang. Well, hopefully you stay safe. I'm overstimulated, child. Well, make sure you stay safe, girl, because I don't need nothing happening to my friend. Oh, Carla too. She's like, I've been on the phone with Gigi for an hour before. Look, shit, make it 2, make it 5. I stay on the phone and I'll